Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make money on Coresage. This is going to be the part 2 on how to make money on Coresage. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1, go to my YouTube channel, search for part 1 of this video for you to know what Coresage is all about. So in this part 2 I'll be teaching you how to register on Coresage. The first of all you need to do is to download OKX. Okay, COKX. You download OKX. If you don't have OKX, you can also use other Web3 wallets, but for the sake of this video and for the sake of the project that I'm doing, I'll be using OKX. As you can see, mine is installed. I've installed mine, so I'm going to my OKX now. Okay guys, so this is my OKX now. So once you open your OKX, you're going to see exchange or wallet. If you don't see wallet, you're going to see Web3. Okay, so if it is wallet that you see here, you click on it. If it is Web3, you click on it. Okay, we don't actually need the exchange. For those of you that is in Nigeria, OKX is not working in Nigeria. Okay, so we are not using exchange, we are using wallet or Web3. Okay, so once you open your wallet, they're going to ask you to create a new wallet or a new account. Here they're going to ask you to create an account, so you just create an account or you create a wallet. Okay, once you create your wallet, please save your key phrase. Keep your key phrase safe. Remember what they said, not your key phrase, not your money. If you are doing crypto and you create a key phrase and you lost it, and it happens that you have money in that your wallet, if you don't have your key phrase, you have lost that money in your wallet. Okay, so always keep your key phrase safe. Okay, if you already have an OKX wallet and maybe you don't want to use it, you just want to use your MetaMask, or you want to use your Bitgate wallet or any of the Web3 wallets, you can actually import it here in your OKX wallet. Okay, so you can just click on this drop down arrow, click on it. So once you click on it, you see where they say you should add wallet. Okay, so that your wallet, that your MetaMask, maybe you have code there, or your Bitgate wallet, or your any of the Web3 wallets, not Bitgate exchange. We're not using Bitgate exchange. We're not using exchange for this Coresage. Okay, we are using Web3 wallet. So any of the wallet that you want to import, say just click on add wallet here. Okay, they will ask you if you want to create a new wallet with seed phrase, or if you want to import a wallet using seed phrase. So you go and copy your key phrase, you come here, you click on it. In case if you want to import, is actually safe for you to import, because some people will say I would not like to import my key phrase. It's safe. Oh, you can import your key phrase here. Okay, so you click on this one, seed phrase or private key, click on it. So they say be aware of scam, this and they just click on OK. So you paste your key phrase here, you paste, so you confirm. When you're done pasting, you click on confirm, then your imported wallet will be right here. Okay, so once you import the wallet, so you click on any of the wallet that you imported. As you can see, this is wallet B. Okay, so once you create a wallet in OKX, it will show you wallet A. If you create another wallet, it's going to show you wallet B. Do you understand? So once you are done, you go back. So once you go back, you click on this place here, this icon here, you click on it to change the network to core. As you can see before, it is on networks. It's showing all networks, but now I'm going to make it only core. So I'm going to type core here, then you select core. So once you select core, in case if it's showing you no data found, you can just click on this manage crypto. Click on this manage crypto. You see core here. You did not see it, you type it, then you click on it here. Click on core, then you go back. As you can see, the core has popped up. So the next thing I'm going to do is for you to open it. Click on it to open it. So you copy your wallet address. Then send core. Go and buy core from any exchange. You can buy core from any exchange, then send it to this wallet. You can buy from Bybit. If you don't have up to $10, don't buy from Bitgate wallet, because minimum to send that from Bitgate is $10 worth of core. Bybit sends less than that, so you can use Bybit. And if you cannot buy core, you can actually chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number below this video, in the description box of this video, or in the comment section. If you copy my number, you chat me, and I will help you to buy core from a vendor. I'm not a vendor. I only help you to buy core from a vendor. Okay, so once you purchase your core, it's going to show here. Your core is going to show here. The value will show here. Okay, minimum to start this Coresage is just $2 worth of core. That is 62 core. But during registration, you pay 60 core. That 2 core on top of the 60 is just for gas fee. Okay, so what you'll be needing is just 60 core. Then 2 core is for gas fee. Okay, so once your core is ready, you're going to copy the link, the Coresage link below this video. I'm going to paste it in the description box of this video or in the comment section. Find it there, copy the link, then you come here, you paste the link. Okay, on the tab browser, you paste the link. Don't go and copy the link if you don't have money, because most of you will be making mistakes and be getting things error. Before you copy their link and paste it, make sure you have core in your wallet. So once you paste it, you click on this head to third party website. Okay, you click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you to connect your wallet here. So you click on connect wallet. So it will pop up something else. Let me disconnect this wallet. Disconnect. Okay, so it's going to ask you to connect your wallet here. Then click on it to connect your wallet. So it's going to ask you to connect wallet. So you choose your wallet, OKX wallet. You click on it. Okay, so as you can see, it's connected. Okay, in case if you bring out another thing, you should choose network, choose code DAO. Okay, it will connect. So once your wallet is connected, the interface is going to be like this. So because you already have core in your wallet, you click on register for 60 core. So once you click on it, you approve the transaction and they will deduct 60 core from your wallet. Okay, once you are done paying for the 60 core, you're going to wait small for this interface to pop up. So we are going to click on proceed to dashboard. Okay, you click on proceed to dashboard. Once you come here, this is the upline, your upline's number, the person that you're going to use his or her link. This is the person's code, and this is going to be your ID number. So when you are giving somebody referral link, your link will come with this code, and these partners is how many people that you have referred. into the Coresage, and this is your earnings. As you are earning, you are claiming, you are getting spin over. Every of your earnings are coming here, okay? But you're not going to withdraw. The withdrawal is going direct to your wallet, okay? You don't do manual withdrawal. Anything that you claim in this Coresage is going direct to your wallet. Anything you are earning is going direct to your wallet, okay? So once you scroll down, you are going to see claim rewards, okay? Like mine here, you're going to see claim rewards. So I'm going to claim 0.5 core. So I'll claim now. So also claim yours once you are done with your registration, and you'll be claiming it once in a day, okay? You can see it's transaction confirmed up here. In this Coresage, everybody can register, both those that want to refer, those that want to upgrade, those that doesn't want to refer. Everybody can register and actually make money. You can take this Coresage as a daily business. Some people are earning more than $100 every blessed day in this Coresage. Some people are earning, someone that I know earned over $300 yesterday only, in less than 24 hours. Every day he's earning above $300 because he took the Coresage business very serious, okay? So this is a free reward pool. This is a free reward pool. All the daily claim that we are claiming comes here on this pool, okay? If you want to share your link, you copy your link here and share. If you want to read more about the Coresage, you click on this tokenomics, okay? Once you scroll down, you see that we have from level 1 in 3x matrix down to level 12, okay? So if you scroll down, you see x6 matrix down to from level 1 down to level 12, okay? In my next video, I'll be talking about how this the x3 matrix and the x6 matrix, how it works. So like I said earlier, I have someone who is earning above $300 every blessed day. As you can see, this is my screenshot now. This is my post. As you can see, the call that the person earned when you open it, the person earned, when you open the screenshot, you see how many call the person earned that worth $373 in 24 hours. It's the person that shared the testimony, okay? So as you can see, this person just earned a single spin over and earn $9.5, okay? As you can see, this person within 24 hours he earned $90 plus. So this business is actually good, is actually okay if you can work towards it, okay? The owner of this dashboard is actually the person that I registered. He started with $2 worth of call. As you can see, it's what she said. Is a woman. She said Coresage that I started with $2 worth of 62 call. See, she has gotten $102 in less than 2 weeks. Which office job will pay you like that? I don't think if there is any office job that will pay you like that. So there are so many testimonies. If only you can work hard, even if you don't know how to refer, even if you don't want to refer, you can as well register, upgrade your account to a reasonable level, then you start making money, start making cold cash every day. And this project is designed to be a long-term project, okay? Though not a financial advice. We all know that everything online is not 100% guaranteed. In fact, everything in this life is not 100% guaranteed. but the way they built this Coresage is giving us at least 70 to 80% that is going to be a long-term project. Okay, so we have come to an end of this video. Like I said, I don't want to make it too long. In my next video, that is the part 3 of this video, I'm going to talk about the X3 matrix and the X6 matrix, and that is going to be the final video on how this Coresage works. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it to join the WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates. Okay, bye, see you in my next video.